I'm going to take a candle holder and I'm going to use two of these. So I'm going to put some hot glue at the top and then place it together and make sure it's level up. Then after that, I'm going to take my spray paint and spray paint it in gold. Then I took these popcorn boxes. I got the large and two small one. And I'm going to spray paint it in silver. You can spray paint it whatever color you would like. Then I took the candle holder. I'm going to put some hot glue all the way around it. You can use other way of attachment. You don't have to use only the hot glue. And then go ahead and put the bucket on top and attach it into place. And then I took this clear bowl and I'm going to use my spray painted in gold. After that, I'm going to use the bowl and put it upside down just like that. And then I'm going to take my candle holder and the bucket that I attached together, put some hot glue, and I'm going to attach it into place. But I suggest for you guys to do the bowl and then attach the candlestick and then the bucket. Don't do it all the way around like I did it. So it could be easier for you guys to do it. Then after that, I'm going to take some floor foam and I'm going to put some hot glue all the way around it and I'm going to attach it into the bucket. After that, I took this little like feather. I'm going to just bend it down a little bit. You can hold it with a rubber band if it's too hard, and then I'm going to place it through the floor foam. Here I also use these flowers, which I'm going to attach it into place. I suggest for you to put the flower first and then the feather. Then I took a candle holder and I'm going to put some hot glue all the way around it, and then I'm going to take the small bucket and place it on top of the candle holder just like that. Then go ahead and grab your flowers and place it inside. In here you can also use floral foam if you want it to be taller for the flower to stand out more. It's up to you how you want to do it. Then I'm going to take these rhinestone ribbons and I'm going to put some hot glue at the top of the ribbons, and then I'm going to place it in the top of the bucket at the edges, and then I'm going to continue attaching with hot glue like that. I'm going to do it like cross down just to bring it down like that all the way at the end until I attach it all the way to the other side of the bucket. Once I do that side, I'm going to continue to do the same thing I did in the other side. Just go ahead and place it on the top and put it all the way down in the bucket. Then I took this little stone they have in Dollar Tree. I'm going to put some hot glue in the middle, and then I'm going to attach it to the middle of the bucket. Just hold it into place a little bit so it can hold in place. And then after that, I'm going to continue and do the same thing into the other two buckets, but this one just on that side. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. Super cute. I could just imagine this one in different colors or with different flowers. I think it will look beautiful. You could also just do the other two small instead of the big one if you don't want a big centerpiece, or you could just do one candle holder instead of two if you want to be not as tall as this one. This is another way that you guys can do it. Just put the small popcorn box upside down and place the other one on top, and it will look super cute as well. Or you could just put a regular like this one. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly. Let's not forget to follow.